are Gerald Mendoza, sir?
Yeah.
Okay.
Book a
3
room for how
nights
many nights?
on suite room.
3 nights.
Please
Type of
complete
room?
this one.
Pay one night only.
You're paying one night only, sir.
What mode of
For
payment, sir?
1 room only.
Credit card. May I have your credit card, sir?
Superior, that would
Thank you.
be 4,200.
Only 7,000.
May I know your first name,
One night?
please?
Sir, excuse me. Are you
Ah,
paying
last
for
name.
1 night or 3 nights?
One night only.
1 night, okay. 7,000. Receipt from Gerald
First
Mendoza.
name.
Concierge. Behave.
Date of departure. Arrival?
What room again? What room?
Last number.
May
Suite
27.
room.
4, 3 nights.
CC balance. Kailan ba sa 14K? 3 nights mo. Yeah, minus
So, home address.
7,000. That's 14,000.
Mode of payment.
I want credit card.
Credit
For 1
card.
night only. And your name?
Please faster.
Wait for a moment, sir.
Sa inyo para di mo magugo.
Card life, Visa. Last number?
Please,
Oh.
please
8,
sit
9,
down and wait for the
3,
cashier
5.
na. And show the
Next one is
next.
4, okay. Expiry date is, total is
What type of room, ma'am?
7,000. Sir, can you please sign here, sir?
So our standard one that cost is 3,500. So
Thank
how
you,
many
sir.
nights, ma'am?
5 nights and June 15.
5 nights, June 15. So your
Hello.
Here's your receipt, sir, and your credit card.
Thank you.
please go back for reservation, sir. Thank you.
Here is your paper, sir, form. Go to the reservation.
Why takes me so long to get
Ano,
here?
reception. Sorry.
For how many packs,
Why it takes me so long to go here?
I'm sorry, sir. How would may I help you? So,
I'm going to pay
and then,
the room.
I would like to know your home address. Paying home address.
Home address.
For 1 night? Okay.
One
When
night.
there's a meeting.
How would you like to pay, sir? Okay, cash. I received cash. Please wait for a moment for the receipt, sir.
Please.
Your contact number, please.
Reservation.
951.
I received 7,000 cash, sir. Please wait for the receipt.
Good afternoon, sir. How may I help you?
So,
How many minutes do I have to wait?
Reservation. What type of room? Deluxe room. So our deluxe room rate is 5,000 for how many rooms? One only.
D.
Do you have your company, ma'am? How would you like to pay, ma'am? Cash or credit?
Cash. Only
For how
one
many
night.
nights?
Only 3 nights.
Here is your receipt,
Date
sir,
of
and your
arrival.
form. You can proceed to the
27.
reception
May
area.
27.
Thank you.
I would like to good afternoon. I'm Aurelia Bella.
Yes.
And then your arrival is June 10.
So departure
And then your departure
20.
is June 15. So for 5 nights. Yes. And then
Your first
paying
name,
credit
our
card
last
for
name,
1 night.
please.
Is that correct, ma'am? 3,500. Please wait for a moment, ma'am. Wait for the waiting
First
area
name.
and then pay for the shipping. Thank you.
Is that credit card?
Reservation.
So home address.
Tabunok, Kalisay City.
So payment.
Card
Mode of
type?
payment.
I would like to say
Credit card.
For
Credit card.
12, 27. Total is, how much is total? 3 nights.
4,000.
1 night only.
4,200.
4,200.
She's paying 1 night only. Is that correct, ma'am?
Excuse me, ma'am. You're paying for 1 night only? Worker, okay. Can you please sign it here?
So, please wait for the your contact number.
09686
09
686
686
115
The name is Jamaica
35
Villaruz.
357. Please
Sum
wait.
of 4,000.
Please wait in the counter area.
4,200
Payment for superior.
pesos. Superior room.
Next.
4,200 cc. And balance is, can you compute the balance please?
For 3 nights.
3 nights
200
times 3
sorry. 12,600.
times 3 divided by 1. Divided by
12,600 minus
4,200. 8,400. Partial is 4,200.
Thank you for waiting, ma'am.
Thank you so much for your patience, ma'am. Here is your receipt of the customer's copy of the credit card and your credit card.
Your reservation.
You can proceed to the reception area, ma'am. Thank you.
Reception.
Hello, ma'am. How may I help you, ma'am? Okay, May 23 nights. Deluxe room, 5,000. 1 night only. Okay. Wait for a moment, ma'am.
Excuse me?
Yes?
Are you calling me ma'am?
Yes.
No, I can't accept that.
Oh, what should we call you, ma'am?
It.
Okay, it. Can I have your credit card, ma'am? Thank you. What type of credit card is this? Visa card. 6237. 6237. Expiry date is. Where is the expiration date? Bawatan na lang ko na yun.
Kung tawag ka.
Total of 5,000 only. Please compute the remaining balance.
10,000.
Sir, can you please, ma'am, can you please sign it here?
No, I said it.
Can you please sign it there?
Should I put my full name or only signature?
It depends on you, sir. Thank you. Wait for the other receipt, sir. Sum of 5,000 pesos. Payment for deluxe room, am I right?
Maybe.
Cash is 5,000 CC and your balance is 10,000, am I right? 10,000 partial is 5,000. Okay, here is your receipts and here is your form. You can proceed to the reception area. Thank you.
Attitude mo na to.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. Okay. Suite room.
For 2 nights. I'll pay for 2 nights.
You'll pay full, ma'am. Okay. 2 nights, 14,000.
You'll be paying cash, ma'am.
What's his name again? Moncada Fatima. Sige. Ito. Dula lang po. 14. What room? Suite room?
Yes.
Cash is 14,000. Okay, ma'am? Can
That's my
I?
payment.
Okay, let me check it. Recheck it again, ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I received 14,000, ma'am. Here is your receipt, ma'am, and your form. You can proceed to the reception area. Thank you. Hi, ma'am.
I want to pay. You're staying for 5 nights, ma'am, and
Yes,
you're
for
paying
only 1 night.
One light only.
You're paying
Yes.
So
for
we're
1
going to
night.
see you at May 27, sir. Thank you so much.
Cash.
Please wait for a moment, ma'am, for the
That's all.
receipt.
Thank you. I hope to see you on May 27.
Where's the money?
I received
1, 2, 3, 5.
3,500.
I received
Please wait for
3,500.
our receipt, ma'am. Thank you.
Standard.
Standard room.
Cash is
Ano mo, bangko?
3,500. And your balance
Gamay raman
is
ni.
14,000. Okay.
Yung partial payment is
3,000. So here is your
Thank you
receipt,
for
ma'am.
waiting, ma'am. Here's your receipt, ma'am, and here's your reservation form. Please proceed to the reception area. Thank you. Same date. Right now, today.
Okay.
Okay. May I know your family name?
Sebastian, I know you.
Sir?
The spelling. H-U-G.
Sir, I would like you to fill the form. So that there's no...
Should I fill also the room number?
No,
Already
no.
checked.
You don't need. You don't need to. Please.
Only... May I know, sir, what kind of room?
Six room. For 3 nights. I no. 2 days.
2 nights?
Kasi sila ba? Sa sila? Check-in reservation pa niya.
How many packs?
How can I just change the
Hello, ma'am. Good
change for 1 night?
1 night? Okay, sir.
Night check-in. Okay, for...
May I know?
May I know what type of room? Do you have any reservation, ma'am?
What is the amount of your payment, sir?
So you have a reservation on May 18.
May 18.
Okay. We'll check first our system, ma'am.
Okay, please wait for a moment. Tanaw mo, pinarito yung reservation sa 18. If wala, check. Thank you, sir.
I'm sorry, mom, but there's no available in May 18th. So
Proceed to the
can you proceed
cashier.
to the walk-in? Okay.
Hi, ma'am. Welcome to Hotel Cafe. Then, may I know your
Can you fill this form, please? This one.
and your name, please? Wait for a moment, please.
Okay. Okay, I can wait.
Room 504.
So what type of room would you like, please?
Room.
For how many days?
For 2 nights.
What type of room, ma'am?
You're only one?
Ma'am, may I know your name?
And then here's May 20, 25.
Ma'am, may I know when
So how would you go this year? Is it cash or just wait for a moment? I'll check first the room availability. Okay, can you proceed to the cashier's office? Good afternoon, sir.
Thank you, sir.
On your reservation, so you have to check in or what? Reservation thing. So you want to check in?
Today is
Today is May 20.
on June 3rd. The name is Alexa Madrid. And
Check in
July 15th. Posting pa sa reservation. Una na nag-check out.
Good afternoon, miss.
Nabayad na siya.
Okay.
Check out
Room 104.
Okay.
104.
Just wait for a moment, sir.
Just wait.
Cash na dito. Cash. Ako ba niya siya i-order? Walk in lang siya. Ay,
Thank you so much,
ma'am.
Can you wait, please?
Thank you for staying.
Please sit down.
Since your arrival sir is July 13th, is
Hello, good afternoon. Wow. Suite room for one night. So, may room. Check out? What? Okay. Okay.
Can I see your receipt, sir?
Just wait for a moment, sir. Check in na niya.
Kung saan na, check in?
Check in. pero wala pa siya nagkagaagro. Free ba na siya?
Thank you, sir. See you on July.
Wala pa,
Thank you, sir.
check in na lang.
We'll see you on July 15,
Wala
2020.
pa na siya nagkagaagro. Wala pa. Kuhan pa mo ka reservation. Okay na, mo na. Ihatag na sa FOM na. Kung saan mo nga room ba? Sweet. Basta i-posting niya. Naghatag na ko sa sweet. So far,
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. Reservation. Just wait for a moment, please. Reservation.
5-0.
Superior.
Tiga 8.
maghatag ng dako, people.
Good afternoon, sir. How may I help you?
I would like to reserve for 3 nights.
Okay, wait for a while.
Sweet room.
Your name, sir. Your last
Last
name.
name.
Mendoza. Tinong mo pa niya may kaya ni?
And then your first name.
Gerard.
Your middle initial, sir. J as in jar. Goat.
G.
Reservation.
July 15.
So when would you like to check in, sir? July 15.
3.
Arrival is for 3 nights. Sure ka? How many nights, sir?
3 nights, sir. Ayun.
For how many packs?
2.
We don't have a reservation. So, we would like to know your home address, sir, please. Home address.
Yati Iloan.
Yeah, Tiriluan na spelling.
Pak eh.
Your contact number, sir.
967. 009. 7271.
So, what room would you like to choose, sir? Standard suite. So our suite, it's 7,000 a night. So this will be
3 nights.
Mode of payment.
Credit.
Credit.
I will pay 1 night only.
Can we have your credit, please?
it is ang cashier. Ang cashier mo. So do you have your company, sir?
No.
Oh, okay. What's your firma, day? Okay, so please proceed to the cashier, sir. So to pay.
Hi, sir.
Hi, good afternoon.
Please.
May I see your form, sir?
Good afternoon.
Reservation.
How would I help you,
Gerald
ma'am?
Mendoza, sir? I want to book, okay.
Book a room for how many nights?
For suite.
3 nights. Type of room?
This one.
You're paying one night only, sir.
Superior.
What mode of
For
payment, sir?
one room only.
Credit card. May I have your credit
Superior,
card, sir?
that would
Thank you.
be
4,000.
4,200.
Only 7,000.
May I know your first name,
One night.
please?
Sir, excuse me. Are you
Last
paying for
name.
1 night or 3 nights?
One night.
One night, okay, sir. Receipt. Gerald.
First name.
We'll check first our system.
Date of departure, arrival,
May 27. What room again? What room?
May 27, 2024, 3 nights, 27.
Proceed to the cashier.
Balance. Pwede ba sa 14K? 3 nights ba?
So, home address, mode of payment,
I want credit card.
credit
For 1
card.
night only.
And your name?
Wait for a moment, sir. Card type?
Reservation.
Last number?
Please sit down and wait for the cashier ma'am and show this.
Next, can you draw?
Next.
Hello, good afternoon.
Total is 7.
What type of room, ma'am?
Standard. Sir, can you please sign here, sir?
So our standard room is that cost is 3,500. So how many nights, ma'am?
5 nights on June 15.
5 nights, June 15. So your departure.
Here's your
Ito
receipt, sir, and your 10 card.
June 10 to 15.
Please go back to reservation, sir. Thank you.
Here is your paper, sir, form. Go to the reservation. No, reception. Sorry.
For how many packs, ma'am?
I'm sorry, sir.
Standard room.
Can I help you?
So our standard room is 3,500, and then I would like to know your home address, ma'am.
Paying
Home address.
Home address.
for 1 night. Okay.
20.
How would you like to pay, sir? I received cash. Please wait for a moment for the receipt, sir.
Please.
Your contact number, please.
Reservation.
951.
I received 7,000 cash, sir. Please wait for the receipt.
Good afternoon, sir. How may I help you?
So I would like to know what is your last name, ma'am?
What type of room?
Aurelio.
Deluxe room. So our
First
deluxe
name?
room rate is 5,000 per.
Bella.
How many
Double
rooms?
M.
Okay, your middle initial.
One only.
D.
So do you have your company, ma'am?
No.
Okay. How would you like to pay, ma'am? Cash or credit?
Cash. Only
For how
one
many
night.
nights?
Here is your receipt.
Date of
sir, and
arrival.
form. Proceed to the
27.
reception.
May 27.
Thank you.
I would like to repeat, ma'am. So your name is Aurelio Bella.
Yes.
And then your arrival is June 10.
So departure
And
that
then your
will
departure will be June 15.
Yeah.
So for 5 nights. And then
Your
for one
first
pax
name,
only,
our last
so
name,
one
please.
standard for 3,500. So please wait for the waiting
First
area
name.
and then pay for cashier. Thank you.
Is that credit card?
Reservation.
So at your home address. So payment. Mode of payment.
I would like to say credit card.
Credit card. Credit card.
Anyway, if I'm going to have 1 night only.
Total is... How much is total? 3 nights. 4,000. 1 night only.
4,200. Is that correct, ma'am?
Excuse me, ma'am. You're paying for one night only.
So, please wait for the your contact number.
09686
09
686
686
115
11
115 357
35